Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for February 26th, 2026. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. Starting in this box, we have 3, 4, and 9. We have 2 3s here. This 3 helps, puts a 3 in one of these. What did I do? I did the wrong one, wrong row. Sorry, there's 2 3s here. This 3 doesn't help, puts a 3 in one of these two. How did that happen? All right, we also have 2 vertical 3s, puts a 3 in one of these two. A 4 does look in here, but it's not quite good enough. Yeah, not seeing anything with 4. How about 9? Yeah, so this 9 looks in. This 9 looks up. We have this 2 1. So the 9's in one of these two. That points in here. This 9 looks up, puts a 9 in one of these two. So what we've done here is we've overlapped our 3 and our 9. So in this box, one of these cells needs to be 3, and one of these cells needs to be 9. Well, there's only 2 cells, so if one is 3 and one is 9, there's no room for any others. So one's 3, the other is 9. And so that's called a hidden pair. That's a hidden 3-9 pair. So we want to think about what we just eliminated from those in order to follow up. I think the easiest way to do that is to, I guess we could think about the 4 in this row that are left. We need a 4, 5, 7, 8. So now the 4 doesn't go here, and these can't be 4 anymore because of our hidden pair. So there's only one place for 4 in the row, which is right here. Now these 4s look in, this 4 looks up, and that places the 4 here. These 4s put a 4 in one of these 3. That's quite nice. And so this is a triple now. It's going to be the 3, not 3. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5, 7, 8. That's not 5, that's not 8 because of these. So the 5, 7, 8 triple, that leaves a triple here. You know what we had? We had the standard New York Times trick, which I found in a alternate way, which was we had the 3, 4, 9 here, and they needed to go. They still needed to go in this row somewhere. So they didn't go here, and they didn't go here. So 3, 4, and 9 had to go here, and this couldn't be the 3 or 9. So I found it in a bit of a roundabout way, but the result is the same. We need a 1, 2. What did I miss? 1, 2, 3, oh, 1, 2, 6 here. I'm going to write this out. That's not 1, that's not 6. That means the 6 is one of these two. Points in here with this 6, puts a 6 down here. All right. Right, it was the 1, 2, 6 here that went here. How'd I miss that geometry? I didn't look for geometry yet. That's how I missed it. I probably would have looked after the normal scan there. I don't think there's anything else I can do with this box. We have the 6 and the 9 down here. Let's look at this next box, the 4, 5, and 6. So we got the 4. 5 does not appear to do anything. Although, oh, wait, 5 looks in here. So really the 5, 6, and 9 are down here? Why the 6? The pointing 6 is right. So 5, 6, and 9 go down here. That's a hidden triple. And in fact, this can't be 5 or 9. So this is our 6. And we have our 5, 9 pair. So this is a pair then. We need a 7, 8. And so this is now 1, 2, 6. Oh, it's not 6, right? And this box needs 1, 2, 7, 8. So this is 1, 2, 8. This is 1, 8 only. It's not 2, 7. All right, this top band was quite fruitful. Let's make sure we don't miss any verticals. 4, 5, 6. And we've also got 1, 2. We have the 2 2s. It's a 2 in one of these 3. Oops, I meant to corner mark that. 3s, look in here. Ooh, 3 is actually placed in this box. There's not really a follow-up because we already had all of these 3s. I don't really see a way to follow up. Sorry, 3, 4, and 6. Okay, I think that's it. All right, and nothing really else to do with this band. Let's move on to the next one. We've got 1 and 3 here. How are 3s doing? I feel like we just got a bunch. We need a 3 in one of these two. We need a 3 somewhere here and a 3 somewhere here. Sorry, somewhere here and somewhere here. So really it's this standard L shape that's left. We have 3 3s left. All right. So we're not going to find anything with 3s directly. How about the 1? No. I don't think we get anything with this 1 and 3. How about this 3, 7, and 9? Well, just 7 and 9, I guess. Oh, the two sevens look up. This is the only place for 7 in the box. Right, I should have noticed this was a 1, 2, 8. The 8's one of these two, for what it's worth. Okay. I don't know why I didn't finish that 7. Interesting, I just didn't see it. Anyway, 3, 7. How about the 9? Not seeing anything with 9. No. Okay. Nothing really looks through. 5 doesn't help. Okay. How about 2 and 5 here? We already did the verticals, didn't we? Yeah. Yeah, I'm not seeing really anything to do with this band. Let's move on to the next one. We've got 5, 6, and 8. So 5, 6, 8. The 8s look in. Puts an 8 in one of these two. How about this row, which is only 3 digits? We need a 1, 7, 9. This is only 7, 9. This is only 1, 9. This is only 7, 9. Oh, actually, this isn't 1 or 9. So this is 7. That's 9. That's 1. Okay. I was going to say this is the only place for 1 in the row, but kind of just resolved itself before I could even say that. The 7 gives us the 8 and the 7 here. We now have 2 7s. It's a 7 in one of these two, and then we have 2 8s, which actually place the 8 in this box. Looking to see if we can do anything directly. We filled this box column, but we already have this 7. Okay, so what we want to look for, because we filled this box column, we want to look at these columns for any digits that aren't yet placed in the box. So 7 isn't placed, but we already have it corner marked. 8 is placed. The 1 is not. The 2 is. The 3 and the 8. So it's just the 1. 1 looks down, 1 looks in. And actually, that's going to create another hidden pair. This is a hidden 1, 7 pair. And so what's left is a triple here, which is the 4, 6, 9. So that's not 9. 9's up here. 4, 6, 9. Okay. We got this 1, 7 pair, so we want to check the column as well. It's down to 4, 5, 6, 9. These aren't 9s. These are 4, 5, 6. All right. Nice. So I just got all that. What can I do? Oh, this column just has 1 digit left. In fact, it's the 1. It has the 1 digit left. All these ones look in, putting a 1 in one of these two. This bottom man has a filled row. We got the 8. The 9 is down here. Oops, not there. Oh, I should look at this column. It's down to 1, 1, 5, 8. So this isn't 1 or 8. So this is a naked 5. This isn't an 8. So that's 1 and that's 8. Okay. We get the 7 and the 1 done. And that's not 5. Okay. 2, 4, 5, 6. This isn't 5, so it's 2, 4, 6. I feel like there's a lot to follow up on here. I'm not sure what to look at first. This filled box column, maybe. 1 to 4, we got 1, 4, 5, 7. So the 5 we don't have yet. 5's in one of these two. So yeah, place this 5, place this 1. Yeah, so 5's up here, one of these two. It feels like the puzzle is like in a very slow motion collapse here. Not sure exactly what's going on. Let's look at this box. We need a 3, 6, 8, 9. So these are 3, 6, 8, and these are 3, 6, 9. Nothing really to do with that. These 2 digits should be limited because they're not the 4 givens or the 2 corner marks. So they could be 2, 4, or 7. That one's not even 7. Okay. So, am I missing anything here? Let me just go row by row. Make sure I'm not missing anything in the rows that I might want to do. I want to kind of look at... Let's not look at these yet. I want to see if there's any lower hanging fruit because we have so much done already. 1, 2 pair. 3, 6, 8, 9. This adds 5. They're not 3 or 9. So these are 5, 5, 6, 8. That's not an 8. They're not 1, 2 because of the 1, 2 pair. They're not 3 because of the 3 in the box. Just double checking 4. They could be 5, 6. Not 7, not 9. Okay. I did do that right. Looking. This is really all of 2, 4, 5, 6. Looks like it. Okay. I think I looked at all the columns then. All the columns, all the rows. feel like there should be a follow-up rather than looking at these emptier rows, but I'm just not seeing it. I guess we have these 9s. So 9 in one of these two. Oops, I typed 8. So 9 in one of these two. 9, 1, 4. I'm not seeing anything else to do. Oh, we have these 7s. 7's in one of these two. So where is 7 in this column? Why did I even look, right? Well, I cornered 7 here and here. The only reason I didn't corner 7 here is because there's a 3 sitting there. So I want to ask the question, well, if it's not here, where is the 7 in this column? Because we know it's not in this box. We also it's not down here, and we're lucky that there's a 7 looking in here. And so, and this can't be 7 either, and that's not 7. So there's actually only one place for 7 in the column, which is right here. That gives us the 8 and the 5. Down here, the 7's in one of these two, because that's 7. So I just got the 8. So that actually places the 8 in the box, which places the 7 and this 7. All right, that's not an 8. That's a 5, 6 pair. That's big. So that's not a 6, and that's not a 6. I don't know, is that big? 6 is one of these two. Oh, well, this is a triple now. And we know it involves 4. 2, 4, 8. So 8's placed. That's 4 and that's 2. That places the 8 here. Over here we get the 6 and the 5 and the 6. All right. Yeah, like I said, just like kind of a slow collapse. 4, 9 pair removes 9 from here, so that's 9. Down here, this can't be 6 anymore because the column. So 6 is one of these two. I don't really need to mark that. So this is 2, 4, 5. Okay, we've got a pair here. This is 4. Geez, this is 4, 5. That's 2, that's 6. That is not a 6. The 2 is placed in this box. Clean that up, I guess. What's this pair? We need a 2 and 6. The 6 tells us the order. That's 2, that's 6, giving us 1 and 2. 1 and 2 here. That's a 1 and a 3. This digit is something, 4. 3 in the corner. That's 5, 6, and 4. That's 9, 6, and 3. That's 9 and 3. That's 9 and 5. That's 9 and 4. And we're done. All right. Yeah, it just kind of felt like once we discovered this top band, it was just an inevitable. Like the puzzle didn't really resist much for the rest of the solve. All right, cool. Well, let me know how you did. And if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.